Welcome WBP stars. My name is Guido Breaken and I'm chef from Restaurant Create, and I'm here with Fabrice de Boer, my sous chef. We're gonna make a dish with venison, beetroot and dried cherry. So we're gonna start with the meat. The venison, first we do them sous vide for 20 minutes on 63 degrees. Then we put it on ice, and when it's cold, we're gonna fry them and bake them in the pan. So when we finish this, we make a butter of garlic, rosemary. Then we let them rest on the top of the barbecue for 5 till 8 minutes. When this rests, we're gonna start plating the dish. So we're going forward with plating the dish. We have a compote made of the dried cherries. We make a cream of shiso purple and beetroot. Cru of beetroot. Some puffed beetroot with chives and a little bit of amaranth. Ravioli, we put on top some pistachio with some herbs. Powder of beetroot. Finish the dish with a cream of pistachio, the venison, and the sauce is made of the bones of the venison with purple curry. And we finish the dish with a hollandaise made of tarragon. That's our main dish. WBP stars, enjoy. Thank you very much.